Green Camp Bali, it's Miss Alex
and Miss Christina.
We'd just like to say a huge thank you from St. Stephen's Preparatory School here in Hong Kong.
And we'd just like to say we so enjoyed all of you demonstrating to our lovely students how to reuse household items to better our environment. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye!
Hi Green Camp Bali.
Hi Green Camp Bali.
This is Mr. Smith here.
Miss Jody.
I'm Mr. Stephen. And we just wanted to show you guys we might not have the grounds that you guys have available to, but we are trying our best to get all the plants going, and our greenhouse has really started growing in the past 2 years.
We've also started with our class plants, which have started germinating, and the classes are very exciting.
They're also excited one day, not too long in the future, to come